Welcome to Calculations. Here you'll find lots of fun and cute cat videos. We've got playful kittens, funny old cats, and everything in between. You'll laugh, you'll smile, and you'll definitely fall more in love with cats.
Is he gonna deliver sweet? Oh!
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a Calculations video. Let's celebrate cats together. Kittens are like little balls of fluff that are always up to something. One minute they're sleeping soundly, looking so peaceful, and the next they're bouncing around like crazy little rockets, exploring everything. Kittens love to play and they're always making us laugh with their silly antics. They might try to pounce on their own tail or get stuck in a cardboard box. Watching kittens is like watching a never-ending comedy show. They bring so much joy and happiness into our lives. Kittens are always getting into trouble. They love to play and explore. But sometimes they get a little too excited. They might jump off something high and tumble down, or they might pretend to fight with each other and accidentally bump into things. It's all part of being a kitten. That kitten was so brave it wanted to catch a fish like a big cat, but the water was too tricky. Splash! The little kitten fell right in. Luckily, its clever mommy cat came to the rescue. She helped her kitten get out of the pool safe and sound.
Max! Good, Mom!
Man is busy fixing a car tire, trying to get it done as quickly as possible. A bunch of tiny kittens are playing around him, full of energy and curiosity. It's such a sweet contrast, the serious man working on the car and these playful kittens having a blast. It's a picture-perfect moment that makes you smile. A fish trying to catch a cat's tail. That would be quite a sight to see. I bet the cat was really surprised when the fish tried to grab its tail. It's lucky someone was there to help the cat out of that fishy situation. That's a funny scene. A man is trying to getting milk from a cow. But then, there's this mischievous cat, thinking it's milk time too. Instead of getting upset, the man decides to share the love and gives the milk directly to the cat. It's like a little comedy sketch with the cow looking on in amusement. That little kitten is so brave. It might look like it wants to fight the big dog, but it's probably just trying to act tough. Kittens are sometimes very confident, even when they're scared. The cat was caught a fish and was really excited, so it started running with it in its mouth. But it was going too fast and didn't look where it was going. Suddenly, splash! The cat fell off the bridge right into the water. A man is busy cooking something yummy in the kitchen, and suddenly a curious cat starts climbing him like a human tree. It starts at the man's feet, then up to his knees, and finally ends up on his shoulders. A tiny kitten, all soft and fluffy, trying to give a massage to a bigger cat. It's like a little therapist with paws. The kitten might need its tiny paws on the cat's back. Tiny kitten trying to drink milk, but instead of being neat, it ends up with a whole face full of creamy white stuff. It must look like a little kitten ghost with milk whiskers. A tiny ball of fluff moving to its own rhythm, with its little paws going pitter-patter. It's like watching a tiny ballet dancer. I bet it's the most adorable thing ever. I hope you'll absolutely adore this delightful video showcasing adorable kittens. It's filled with pure cuteness overload. To ensure more people can experience this joy, please hit that subscribe button on my channel and don't forget to share this video with all your fellow kitten lovers. Let's spread the kitten love together.